It's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a little taste for the wild. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99